And here we have the finished bucket seat featuring a roadster here in beautiful biscuit, one of the most popular colors. You can see how great the guys finished this. No wrinkles, absolutely perfect. So that's the new foams, all the tack strips in place. Moquette finished on the back. Still needs to go to shipping for cleanup. But all in all, I think the customer's going to be very happy with this. Now ask yourself, do your bucket seats look like this? And look at the shows, make comparisons. There's very few people in the world that can do them as nice as we do them here at BAS, beautiful Palm Springs, California.